So what you see on my screen right now is the handle drawing. This is ultimately what we're going to create. Right now on your screen, I want you, if you have not already, I want you to open the handle. This is what you're going to be working off of, okay? So I will try to move at a pace that you can follow along with, and I will try to take natural pauses then to come around and help you. I'll probably give 3 or 4 directions before I come around to help you in class. So you're going to start bottom left-hand corner. Do you see the plus sign? Bottom left-hand corner. Click on the plus sign and go up to create drawing. You have options of different size drawing templates to possibly put in. You're going to choose ANSI A inch and hit OK. And this is what you should have on your screen. You are going to take the handle and you're going to drag it onto your drawing sheet. Or double click if dragging isn't working. Double click and then drag. There you go. Now, if you remember before when you probably had tech ed in middle school, you talked about front view, top view, and side view. This is my front view. If I come up, it'll give me a top view. I have to come back down. Then I can go to the right. I may have to click first. Come to the right for a side view. Back to the front view, click. Come to the top corner and click for an isometric view, and then I can hit escape. My goal is to get all of these views. If you forget to get one of your views, there is a projection or projected view tool up at the top that I'm circling. You can click that tool, come back, drag up, and click to recreate the view if needed. Okay, so if you accidentally clicked in the wrong spot and got too many views, or if you put the view in the wrong spot and you need to get rid of it, you can simply click on it and use your delete key, or click on it and use your backspace key. And I deleted a line as well. Click on it and use your backspace key if you put one in the wrong spot and you need to get it. The next thing we need to do is put dimensions on. This is our dimensioning tool. It is going to work very similar to how we dimensioned our part. You do need to make sure you dimension the height, the width, and the length of your part. You need to dimension your circles. Ideally, we want diameter. Ideally, we also want fractions. I will show you in a separate video how to get those. We have to dimension where our circles are placed. We have to do this for both sides because we cannot assume that the person making the part knows that it is symmetrical. Those of you that are in front of me in class today, I don't necessarily expect that you will finish this in class today or 100% understand what you're doing. I'm struggling to get the one dimension to go in. There we go. Basic questions on this before our class is over today. Basic questions. Does the concept basically make sense? I will clean this up a little in your next video to show you what the final product should look like. But your assignment for Monday will be to clean this one up and then do your 16-inch board for the top. 16. Have a good one.